Good morning, fellas. All right. Okay, good morning, guys. Sorry, so Streamlabs, the reason why I'm late is because for some reason Streamlabs got rid of all my settings. So I have to reset everything. Please let me know if anything's too loud, if anything's wrong. Let me know that because I had to redo all my settings on Streamlabs. For some reason, it logged me out, and then when I logged back in, everything was reset. But as you can see, we're at 1,139 subscribers. We're coming off of a losing day yesterday. So we got some stuff to make back, but it's a new day. All right. So 1K subs, congrats. Thank you, Kamal. Good morning, Trading Attempt. Good morning, Frank. Good morning, Kamal. Good morning, Nate. Good morning, Zahid. Good morning, Horacio Flores. I probably butchered that, but good morning. Good morning, Mark. Good morning, B1. Good morning, Junior. All right, I'm gonna load up Top Step. So I was thinking on a actual challenge that I might do. I might preserve my funded accounts for the rest of the year as holiday season's coming up. And instead, I might put in like $300 into a live account and do a challenge on try to scale it up to like $10,000 on live stream. Thanks for the subscriber, my man. I appreciate it. But without further ado, let's start our analysis as 9:30 is coming up. So, I think this is the low of the week. Just instantly getting on the charts, and I can say that. Low of the week right here. Now, why do I say that? Because we've traded lower, we hung around the new week opening gap, and now we move up higher. We have this 1 hour BISI here. Why is my markups all messed up? But you can see we're in a 1 hour BISI, small opening range gap. I'll do the same if you do it. Put 300, show proof of it, post all trades. Yeah. I love the fact that the low of the week is inside Asia. There's a possibility we could go take it. I ideally don't want to see us move up higher because it is Tuesday. You know what? We could either go and take Asian range lows and then move up higher. So that's a possibility, but looking at like previous price action, it looks like it kind of wants to just shoot up higher from here. It depends on what we do with this hourly fair value gap at 9:30. Do we have news? What news do we have? Let me see. Tuesday, 10 a.m. CB Consumer Confidence. So we got 10 a.m. news. How's it going, Tokyo? Good morning. Good morning, Rex. Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Lorianne. Good morning, fellas. All right, let's get into this session. Good morning, J Void. Good morning, E-Man. How's it going, my man? All right. 9:30 is here, and we are ripping up higher after leaving this hourly fair value gap. So draw on liquidity up here, and then we got higher highs up here, and then new week opening gap. I think we have a decently ranged day today. You can see we're ripping up higher instantly. I'm doing good, my man. Good morning. Hey, don't you want to load an indicator that shows time frame on the screen? I'm on the one. You can see the time frame right here. You can also see it right here, my man. Nvidia's up 1.7% pre-market. Tesla's up 0.8. Bitcoin is down a lot, fellas. Where's Bitcoin? Bitcoin's at 91K. It literally was $400 away from tapping 100K, 300 bucks away from tapping 100K, and it just crashed. I took out my Doge position, by the way. It cut off. You can see it right here, the time frame I'm on. So you see we're ripping up higher pre-market. We're leaving that 1 hour, post-market, we're leaving that 1 hour BISC clean aisle Fed entry. I think price is just going to low resistance liquidity run up higher. But let's see if we can test a water here short. Not short. Am I bugging? Yeah, it's closing it out. So I'm going to wait for the macro. And I'm still confident on longs here. Off of that 1 hour reaction, you can see that the 4 hour manipulated a little bit prior. So there's not a worry on us inverting the 4 hour candle anymore, right? It's not a caffeine candle. We hung around this new week opening gap fairly well. We wicked lower and then bodied up above it. So yeah, this is a really clean reaction to go long. Inverse Kramer strikes again. I see you said 100K. We price was at. ICT said it's gonna go to 100K. No way. No way. Imagine it goes to 0 from here. Imagine, bro. Imagine the ego that guy's gonna have. Oh my gosh. That would be hilarious. What's up, Zahid? Nah, he didn't. Anything going crazy right now? Crypto market is down a lot. I'm glad I got out of my Doge position, bro. There's nothing really going too good right now. Other than I would say that the top few companies. ES looks much cleaner than NQ. Yeah, let's take a look at ES. What? What do you mean ES looks cleaner, dog? In what world? I'm sorry. Amazon, Google, and Microsoft moving? Yeah. Bitcoin is down, so obviously the rest will follow. On the higher time frame? This could be 930 manipulation here, and we have sell-side liquidity here. But I don't think that's the case just because of this 1 hour reaction. And we're just going to draw up to buy side liquidity. We're very bullish today. I'm still going to mark out this sell side liquidity because we also have the opening range gap that we didn't fill out. It's likely that we go hang around this new week opening gap a little bit longer. Let's see, Asian range, decent move. Goldman Sachs falling off a cliff currently. All right, this price is slowing down now. It's 5 minutes after 9:30. Still gonna wait just a little bit. We have 10 a.m. news, but it's not that volatile. It is a red folder, but we're not gonna see like a CPI year over year type of day. So I could be wrong. Yes, equal lows. Pretty clean. It did not trade into that SIBI. BISI. It could treat it as a breakaway gap though, because it traded into this inversion here. So if you look here, you draw out this inversion. Look at that. All right, I think that could be engineered for a later time. Price just trading away from it. I don't know, fellas. I think let's wait for what 950 macro will bring us, and then our bias will be confirmed with that. Right? If we hold this displacement, 950 trades us into it. On a 50K combine, would you trade the micros, bro? Why? No chance you should trade minis on a 50K. The minimum contract, the minimum average position you're risking is $500 or $750 per trade on mini for one contract. No, bro. On 50K you should be risking $200 a trade to 250 max. You're going schlong. All right, bro. Hams is a jokester, bro. Hams always be ripping jokes in my chat. But okay, right now you can kind of see that we're staying up above relatively higher. We can wick lower, but we're relatively staying above higher. We trade into that 3-minute BISI. 3 minutes been driving price recently for the past few days. As you can see, it also trades into this inversion here. Right, this is a nice order block on the 15-minute. So I'll wait for the 15-minute to close, see if we can find some manipulation for that. I was hoping that this displacement gets kept. So if I was to take a long here, which I'm not going to do because it got displaced, I was trying to think, should I put a consequent encroachment of the wick? But if I wanted to win, I wouldn't even want the wick to go past the fair value gap, so I'd probably put it at the body. So I always trade one mini on 50Ks. That's crazy, man. I used to do that, bro, and I just blew accounts left and right. Because why? Like, you can't partial, you can't scale your position, you can't minimize your losses because you only have one contract in. Why not trade micros? You can risk the exact same, just more micros. And if you trade TopStep X, there's absolutely no difference. You can risk 40 micros. There's no scaling plan or whatever it's called. They're the lot size rule. Okay, so at 9:30 we took buy side liquidity. And you can see we're displacing lower. If we displace below that low, I could possibly ride a short down to these relative equal lows. Maybe possibly down here. But I'm just paying attention to a 5-minute here as well because we're trading into this inversion. And in 5 minutes, we're going to have this BISI as well. So I'm being careful with what I'm doing with price action. Yeah, that's the only issue. Yeah, I need to get the TopStep X because I can't do 10 micros on Tradebait. Yeah, I'm Tradebait. You can't do that. 1,141 subscribers, bro. Thank you guys so much. We're growing. And today we hit our goal of 3,000 watch hours so I can finally make money off YouTube, which is crazy. So you can see the displacement is lacking to hold lower, which means I'm anticipating that we might wick into this BISI then move higher. But again, you can see price action is getting rough here, which is an indication of a reversal. So let's see what 950 can bring us. See if it can bring us into some sort of PDRA, which can trade us higher. You notice prior to 930 drives us lower, 930 brings us higher. The only reason why, like if this was a profile, I would think we're bearish. The only reason why I'm hesitant to be bearish is because of this 1 hour reaction here on this BISI. That's the most clean institutional order flow entry drill reaction you can get. Like there's nothing cleaner than that. The wick doesn't touch consequent encroachment. It bodies above the previous body and the next candle rips up higher. It's like, that's one of the cleanest institutional order flow entry drill setups out there. And it's displaced above a high too. Like, that's why I'm very confident in longs. So I'm going to draw out this 5-minute BPR here. Let's see if we can catch a 1 minute fair value gap. We traded into it now at 940. You see it's relatively staying up higher. The wick isn't going to consequent encroachment, which is a good look. All right. Still, wick has not touched consequent encroachment of the 5-minute, but it looks like it wants to. Could also rip up higher from here. Again, I'm just waiting for either an inversion play. Yeah, clean reaction. So I think we're going to continue up higher after this reaction. I do want to wait for a 1-minute fair value gap fill, just because it's not during a macro time frame. If we traded into this 5-minute fair value gap during 950, I would then just take it off of this 5-minute setup and, take a long like this probably. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait for a 1-minute fair value gap just for the sole purpose if I don't have time under my models. Under my hands. Aqua FN, you're in. Nice, my man. But this is a very clean setup for the 5-minute. I'm just going to wait for a 1-minute continuation. If I don't get it, I don't get it. It's all Gucci. I need to start chewing gum when I trade. 1-minute order block play. Ah, good eye. Let's test that out. So what's that? 20? Do I have my phone? Let's see. I'm going to try this. I'm going to wait actually because I want to see price.
Order filled.
Okay, I bought it. And it didn't copy trade on my other accounts.
Order filled.
Let's try this out. Let's try this order block out, my man. You can see the order block trades into an inefficiency in price. I'm going to measure out the credentials. So the cut risk, fellas. I'll add more positions if we displace above this high and add a fair value gap. Where's my end? Where's my fill? It's right here, just above consequent encroachment of that current wick. And my stop loss is the bottom of the wick. See, we touch mean threshold and we're rejecting off of it. I want to see some speed to the upside here. You see, we trade into this 5-minute BISI. Got my micros sorted out. Closed for a quick 25 points just to give me some good feeling on that awful loss yesterday. It's all good, bro. Listen, losses happen. Listen, losing 3 days in a row can happen. 4 days in a row, a whole week in a row. I remember when I first started streaming, I got a 2-week losing streak. And I was like, oh no. I was freaking out. Now, when I get a 2-week losing streak, I was like, it's nothing. It's totally fine. Take profit. Price out liquidity. Clean reaction so far. Okay, I'm dragging my stop loss to that low. We shouldn't go test that low again. Just below it, I'm dragging it to the lower quadrant actually. You subscribed in the second week. Thank you, my man. Yeah, I know you've been an OG, Debrush. Are you in the trade? Yes, I am. What a rip. I know. New should deliver. Yes, looking bearish. Yes is just consolidating. My stop loss is dragged, fellas, so this is a very small trade. There was already cut risk, and now I cut it even in almost half again from a drag stop loss. So we should be fine. We trade back into this wick here, this order block wick. Let's measure out consequent encroachment. You can see the bodies are relatively respecting the wick. We're in that 5 minute or 1 minute BISI now. So this should drive price higher right here. It's a break of structure, right? You broke the high, trades into it, doesn't touch consequent encroachment, and it should rip us higher here. You got it under the PB. What's PB? What a 4 hour fair value gap. I don't see a 4 hour fair value gap. What are you talking about? You talking about this one that already got traded through? My eyes are, the reason why I'm thinking higher is this 1 hour BISI. You see a clean reaction on that too as well. So order flow is so far bullish. What would you rate this setup? Like a B. Like a B. Like a B, yeah. Nothing crazy, not like an A plus or a B plus. Maybe it's a B plus after this reaction. It's the reason why I rated it a B is because it's not 9:50 macro, and it's prior to 10 a.m. news. At 10 a.m. news, I'm gonna drag my stop loss up to here. Just prior to it, I mean, just in case I don't want to get slipped like crazy. Order block above another order block. What? You see, we have a decent reaction so far. I want to see this candle, the next candle, rip above this high. I don't want this to reject. This candle should move up higher. It's fine if we have a little bit pre-power of 3 candle manipulation, but this should break this high. We shouldn't hang around under this high for too long. There we go. I'm going to take my first partial.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to do it on my other accounts too.
Order filled.
Stop loss drag to the low of that, the most recent low here. And no matter what happens, we're break even on the day. Free trade right now, fellas. Price is ripping up higher. Oh, I'd never know how to pronounce that correctly. Propulsion block? What the fuck? Propulsion. Should go to previous day high. That's my draw on liquidity. I might leave a runner. I might drag my take profit to the higher buy side liquidity and leave a runner. I don't think I should. Yeah, I will. So we're trading into here now. I'm gonna drag my stop loss to break even. Okay, stop loss at break even. Winning day today, no matter what. Do you trade Asian or London? No, dude, I do not. You about to come up big time. Every other streamer has no strategy or stop loss. Most of them use daily loss limit as our stop loss. I know, bro. Most streamers stream to make money on YouTube and not on trading because they can't make money on trading. What's up, everybody? First time here. Hey, Kareem, how's it going, my man? I appreciate you stopping by. So far, we're in a pretty decent long. Prior to 10 a.m. news, though, it's the 950 macro now, and you can see we trade into that BISI. I want to see price deliver us higher. I would too. That 5-minute inversion for value gap should hold if bullish. I mean BISI. You can see that 5-minute BPR drove price way up higher. There's a clean order block. Who let me know about that order block? Dan84, bro. Thank you, my man. Yeah, stop loss is at break even. Nice 40 points for me. Nice, my man. First time here. What's up? I might butcher your name. Saleh Fawaz. Saleh Fawaz. That's probably butchered. I'm white Canadian, bro. Don't come at me. Wish I held a bit longer now. Hey, bro, you made profits. Be happy. It might go down lower. Who knows? We might go and hit my break even. I took partials, so I'm perfectly fine in this position. It's a winning trade no matter what. Order black. Do you trade on Top Step? Yes, I do. 150K accounts on Top Step. Looks like a clean 15-minute market maker buy model to previous day high. It does. One thing I don't like is the next 15-minute candle could trade into this order block here, which will stop me out. But I'm getting stopped out now. Oh. What in the manual intervention is this? That is so close to my break even. There's no shot. There's no shot I don't get stopped out here, right? Daily consequent encroachment gap. Clean. Yeah, that's a really
Order
clean
filled.
reaction. Yeah, I got stopped. I got broke even. Winning trade. So we have one winning trade so far. Let's wait for after 10 a.m. now. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know what the fuck was that was. What did we hit for price to just shoot down like that? Ah, this inversion right here. Look at this. Look at that. Trade 150Ks over 50Ks. Well, 5 50Ks equals $250,000 and 5 150Ks equals $750,000. So it's bigger. I used to trade just 50Ks though. Good trading risk management. Thank you, my man. 10 a.m. news coming up. Yep. Hey, listen, this is why I take partials and this is why I drag my stop loss to break even. You copy trade all of them together? No, I copy trade 3 of them and then the other 2 I add in positions. If I want to take both the positions, you'll just hear 2 order fills if I'm taking them on all 5 accounts. 10 a.m. news is coming up. I might revert my bias down to bearish after that reaction. See, we have this SIBI here. All right, we got relative equal lows here. So side, and then we have these lows here. So side, and we could possibly go down to yesterday's low, previous day low. Trade 15 more order block. That's why I reversed. I think it traded into because of this inversion. Look at that reaction under consequent encroachment. It's ripping just prior to news, so I'm gonna sit on my hands right now because most likely news is gonna distort time or completely rip us lower. I think it's gambling if you get into a position prior to 10 a.m. after that. So I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. We're drawing to sell side liquidity right now, though. There's also FNC minutes coming out later today. It's orange folder, though, I'm pretty sure. Well, the inversion is an order block. I mean, that the 5-minute BPR is an order block on the 15. There's the original stop loss hit. Exactly, bro. That's why I drag my stop loss to break even after I take my first partial. So I won my first trade instead of losing it just because of my risk management. Smart money management. Ben, what made you so disciplined? Like, what was your turning point? Probably getting slapped across the face so many times. And what I mean by that is blowing so many accounts and watching my money in my bank account depreciate on funded account challenges until the point where I was so fed up that I was like, all right, I'm going to be so disciplined. Also, it's being disciplined outside of the markets that help you. I would go on like 5 a.m. runs in the morning. I was in like I was in monk mode, bro. Everything I was doing, I wasn't talking to anybody. I was eating clean. I was doing runs. I was going to the gym. I was working. I was everything. If you're really disciplined outside of the charts, it's gonna transfer over into the markets. I always go to break even after the first initial high gets hit. It saves me always, yeah. Two minutes for 10 a.m. Video's moving a little bit lower now. Amazon up 2%. Bitcoin back up to 93K. I'm anticipating that we're going to move a little bit lower on Doge, so I took my position out because I think we're going to move low below this low, and then I'll add more my position back into Doge. That's why I took it out. But hopefully we don't just rip higher from that, and I just totally miss out. Quit video games too if you play that shit. Makes you impulsive. Exactly. It's all about being super calm, cool, collected. No emotions. Can you make a video on risk management? I've made plenty of videos on risk management, but I will make another one if you guys need to. Planning for shorts after this. Let's see what 10 a.m. brings us. 30 seconds. Let's see what this would look like. 30. All right. 10 a.m. Wow. I want to take a short off of that. Look at that reaction. I'm not doing that, by the way, guys. Wow, I should have taken that short, bro. Look at that fucking snipe. What a snipe, bro. It's gonna distort time, most likely. We could just continue to rip lower, though. What a snipe, bro. I'm a sniper. That was so cool. I was so fast paced. One day I'm gonna get to that level where I can take a trade like that. By the way, fellas, I'm not in this. Crazy though. What's the market doing right now? Nothing. See, we're rejecting off this order block here. We're gonna continue down lower, I'm pretty sure. Could test this out. If we don't leave it, we left it. I might test this short out
Order
with the
filled.
money that I made from the prior position.
Order filled.
It's a free trade, fellas. Because why not? If we're going to be lower since the liquidity run, it's a $75 risk. Don't think I'm actually adding into my full position here. If I win it, I won't even take partials at that point, and I'll just hold it down to there, and I'll make like a couple $100. But right now, this is just accumulation. Once I did it, suddenly won't forget the desire. Do you look at Dixie? Not really. I'm gonna wait till either news lows or highs get taken. Yeah. People say I trade really weirdly
Order filled.
because I like to just take a bunch of $50 trades to kind of calm my kind of emotions. And if it wins, I win money. And I only limit myself to 2 like $50 trades for fun. And then while I'm waiting for an actual good setup. But price looks to be a seek and destroy day today. So I'm not going to blow my capital. I'm going to actually cut everything short, play it preservative here. I'm at break even. Trying to see what I should do here. I trade with tight stop losses. Not really. D line 4 hour 15 1 minute. Not really, bro. Almost 1.2k. Nice. Let's go, fellas. So after that reaction, I still think I'm relatively bullish towards buy side now. Could have SMT here, 10 a.m. wick this above. I just want to see this high get disrespected. Then I'll go for my last position of the day, and that'll be like half risk. If we can displace above this high and form a fair value gap, or even this high, that would be pretty clean. Bullish for the rest of the week for you? Yeah, I think that Asia low was low of the week. But it's kind of choppy right now. It's kind of ugly. Look at that. So if I don't get some sort of displacement to the upside here, I'm just going to sit out. I'd break even. Come back, preserve my capital for tomorrow. Waiting for a displacement above this high here, because that's a clean reaction. Higher time frame, swing low. See that we probably for an SMT on those lows, right? I was anticipating, yeah. Okay. So I'm just waiting for a displacement above this high and a fair value gap. I'll take the last trade of the day and then I'll sit out if it wins or loses. It's just to remind myself that I'm on my Top Step Live micro thing. Like, just to remind myself to trade micros and go into Top Step and trade. And I don't know. It's kind of dumb. Price action looks ugly. Yeah. It does. There's always, bro, I want to talk about this one dude on Twitter. Watch this. I tweet Black Friday sale, my $9,000 course for 40% off guaranteed ROI in the next 30 years. Don't miss out on an opportunity of a lifetime to get scammed. Anybody in the right state of mind would think that's a joke. All right, everyone's laughing. And then this guy goes, wait a second, you bitch. You sell courses? Fucking coward. I see why you get triggered easily. And this guy comments on all my tweets because he follows me just to hate me. And I was like, it's a joke, relax. And then I go and find what he looks like. I was like, found ya. Bro, how do you not understand that's a joke? I don't. There's always haters, bro. You can be the nicest dude. You could be the nicest guy. I'm not saying I am. I'm kind of a dickhead. But you could be the nicest guy and literally donate millions of dollars to charity and do whatever and still get hated on. You could get, hey, there's just people out there who just have sad lives, bro. And I think I know why that guy's a hater. You trade micro, macros, or minis? Guys, I trade micros. Micro. Enjoy the little things. I actually like haters, bro. I used to not like them because it was kind of annoying. I wanted to seem like some perfect dude on social media. But the more I grew, the more I understood, like, there's always going to be somebody that's going to hate you. So I like just messing with them now. Price is ugly. Price is disgusting. How many subscribers are we at? 1,145. You guys are absolutely crazy, bro. 1,146. Thank you to whoever just subscribed. All right, we're moving lower now. Ugly price action, bro. $1,147. Bang. Thank you. By the way, I posted a TikTok and it kind of blew up. Not really. But if you guys want to know what my TikTok is, it's just Benjamin_ICT. I'm going to be starting posting some TikToks there. So if you guys want to show me some love, started a TikTok. Damn, 54 likes. Hopefully that thing starts going viral. Another subscriber, 1,148. Thank you, my man. Disgusting price action right now. We were in a clean long, but it's a shame that it failed. I still think we're bearish because of that reaction. No, I missed this. This Sibby here. Look at that. I think we're going to go drive lower. See if I can get a re-enter here. at a decent price. I'm gonna get into this real quick for the final position.
Order filled.
Test this out. Let's do it on both accounts here.
Order filled.
Tough few days recently. You may hit the follow button. Thank you, my man. Yeah, I noticed that. That's why I took this trade. It's pretty clean. Consequent encroachment. We could trade to it back one more time. We also have this order block that we could trade to. So I'm going to actually move my stop a little bit higher. Just above mean threshold of it. Right here. It is pretty much filled the regular trading hour gap opening. Yeah. We're in this order block now. It's ugly price action. I'm not going to blow my shit. I'm not going to blow my account with today. It's a shame that we have two bad trading conditions in a row. It's all good though. I've been risking close to nothing recently. So, because the conditions, honestly, for the past 3 weeks have been nasty. Like, I mean, that's been good. But since Friday or since Monday of last week, nasty. So that's why I'm just like, it doesn't matter to me. I've been cut risk. So that's all that matters. As long as I'm cutting my risk and not losing my capital during this time, then I'm perfectly okay. Yesterday wasn't that good, bro. Yes, it delivered fast, but it wasn't that big of a move. Like, that was the only move. And then it just consolidated. It was decent. I'll give it that. It still isn't full risk worthy. You know what I mean? Now you lost your 50K. Hey, bro, listen. Journal. Go through your trades of when you lost it. Learn from it, and then you'll bounce back. Losses happen. Losing streaks happen. A couple months ago, I would have blown accounts during conditions like these exactly. What do you think about price action in the past month and year? It's been decent. It's been pretty good. There's been some really good trades. Like how price bounces just at the upper quadrant where my stop loss is, doesn't touch it, and then trades lower. And you guys may seem like, yo, how is this guy so emotionless? I have a little bit more emotion when I risk more. These past few weeks, I haven't been risking a lot, so you're really experiencing the emotionless Ben right now. Because these losses and wins mean nothing to me. Like, the wins are nice to have. It can scale my account up, but I'm basically playing with Play-Doh right now for these next couple weeks until Christmas. 1% half risk 0.5. Yes, 1%. No. Full risk is 0. Hold on. 0.5. Full risk is like 0.5 for me. Half risk is 0.25. Cut risk is 0.1. I've been cut risk trading for a while now. This is actually a half risk trade because it's my final position of the day. You can see we trade into that inversion fairly well. And now we're driving price fairly lower. Blizzard is coming. To Canada? A blizzard? Don't, bro, I swear. Let me check. I'm checking the weather app right now. No, there's no snow. Only on Wednesday of next week. At least in Mississauga. What about Montreal? Because that's where I'm going. I'm going to Montreal on Friday. Oh, it's just raining and cold. Nasty weather. Vancouver, though? Raining and hot. What? Calgary's freezing, though. Calgary's negative 17, negative 19. Yuck. How many losses for you? How many losses in a row for you to fully blow an account with full risk per trade? So my buffer is pretty high right now. I have about a $10,000, almost $11,000 buffer right now in my account. So let me see. Average risk, I'll just say $500 per trade. So it'd be like 22. Yeah, that'd be about 22 losses in a row. Which, a little bit low probability to happen. I'm dragging my stop loss to that high now, fellas. Actually, consequent encroachment of the wick. Just because the markets are still a little bit sloppy. Negative 20 in Edmonton. Wow. Did I quit school? I graduated. I'm not in college. I graduated high school. Data lows hit. Yep. I would do the same risk in 0.5, but I see no progress in passing a challenge, only break even. It shouldn't be risk that's your problem. All right, if you're a profitable trader, your risk should not matter if you risk too much or too little. It's consistency. Right? If you find that you're only profitable when you risk a lot, that just means you're gambling, and you're gonna, once you get hit a losing streak, you're blowing it. Okay, getting ready to take a partial. At those lows, taking a partial, and then dragging my stop to break even. For another free trade, winning trade. Where's my take profit? Right here. We could go for the lows, but... Okay, I'm going to take it
Order
now.
filled.
Drag my stop loss. At least on one of the accounts. Actually, I'll take it on both.
Order filled.
All right, free trade, fellas. Free trade. Hitting 1 hour for value gap again. That's why I dragged a stop loss, break even, took my partial. I think we're gonna dump though. Anyone else in the short? Look at that reaction to my stop though. My stop was actually a little bit higher. I just dragged it. Do you think I should drag to Asian lows? You're in short? Nice, Adrian. What do you guys think? Should I go to this? Leave a runner for the Asian lows? Yes, sir. I'm in. If I entered, I still. And if I entered, I'm still in. I'm short. It would be FOMO. Yeah, probably. Unless it's a clear aisle fed entry. We got the same entry. Nice, my man. Why not? Wasn't short, but got stopped breaking. Well, why not is I'm risking one contract, which could be a lot of money down here. Got stopped to break even. Hey, bro, break even's better than a loss, Aqua. You learnt for free. You took a position, you learnt, and you didn't pay a price. So that's a win. What's your typical day in a life? Well, I wake up, I get on the charts, I get off of the charts, I go to the gym, and then I do some content or edit some stuff or do some work on the side, and then I do a little bit of study in the markets, and then I eat some dinner, spend time with some family, and go to sleep. And repeat the day. Yeah, so you can see that we're moving up. So the market conditions is sloppy. We're in the first presented fair value gap now. But I might just end this day at break even if this moves up higher. Super close to my stop. Stop is right here at break even. This is my break even position right there. I'll just keep my stop to this high just for viewing purposes. It's 10:20. You see a decent reaction on that SIBI there. Hopefully we move lower from here. Could be 15 minute. 30-second inverse looks clean. I don't really look at the 30-second chart. I could do a day in a live stream. Thank you for 1,150 subscribers, bro. Crazy. Do you think we could hit 2,000 before the end of the year? I need to do some sort of tweet that gets me a crazy lot of exposure. But you think it's possible, bro? My goal was 1,000 by the end of the year. Do you think I could get to 2,000 by the end of the year? What do you think about my end of year goal for 2025 is 10,000 subscribers? That's my goal. What's up, Uncommon? Love from India. Thank you, my man. Welcome to the stream. Okay, ugly reaction. Price action is going to rip lower. I'm pretty positive, though. I think it's just being ugly right now. That's what God is good. Yes, sir. 1,151. Thank you for another subscription. By the way, how's it going, Alejandro? Long time no see. By the way, I stream every single day I trade. I'm streaming Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then I'm going out down to Montreal Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And then I'll be back to streaming. So we're in that SIBI again, and we're rejecting off of it. So that's a good look. Right, we also have this wick of this order block. Stop loss is at break even. Higher 20K. Really? 20,000 subscribers. That's crazy. High resistance liquidity run crazy today? Yeah. It's ugly, bro. Let's see what this trade offers, though. You could have added extra positions on that SIBI if you were feeling a little risky. We did tap these lows. We didn't take them yet, I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, we did. But still, I think that's going to get retested, so if you're feeling a little risky, big ball, you could have took that position. I still think we're about to rip lower. Like, we're about to lower resistance liquidity run lower. All this is accumulation. We're just going to... That's what I want to see price do, of course. By the way, let's see what anybody said in the Discord. Jesse took nice short and then back up to long. Clean, my man. Clean. We got some people with payouts. Got some people with past combines. Sick. Make sure to post yours if you are in the Discord. I might make a role on the Discord that says profitable. And if you post on the past combine, or not past combines, the payout tab, your payouts, I'll give you that role. How do we join? It's in the description of my most recent video. It's also in my bento link. If you go in the description and click my bento link with all my socials, you'll find the link to the Discord. It's for free, so you don't, I'm not scamming no one. Don't worry. I'm not selling anything in there either. You join, you verify, and you unlock all the channels. So many people have been DMing me though saying, yo, why do we have to verify? It's annoying. I'm like, dude, I don't want my Discord to get raided by bots. You know how many trading bots are in trading, in the trading community, especially in Discord? Bro, I just buy Apex account, so if I copy your trade so I can get payout or not. I'm not telling you to do anything. If you want to copy my trades, that's at your own risk. I perform my trades and risk accordingly to what works for me. Might not work for you. So do whatever you feel like you want to do. I'm not responsible for any wins or losses. Just closed my position and came to see how you were doing. One short on Newswick, consequent encroachment. Nice, bro. Yeah, I called out this. I was too kind of pussy to take it because it was so fast. But I did draw this out and then 10 a.m. hit it. That's why I'm in short, because of that reaction. I'm in trades by Mad Discord and I get fake TBM friend requests daily that I just left that server. Yeah, that's literally why I do the verification thing. Because when you have to verify you with your phone number, the bots can't do that. Because they don't have phone numbers. Bots can make fake Gmails like that, but they can't get fake phone numbers because that costs money. So, and I'm sure there's a few people who don't have a phone number that can't join the Discord, and I'm sorry for that, but I don't want to jeopardize everyone else's experience getting DMs by bots because of that. 1,152 subscribers. Thank you, guys. We're just consolidating right now. Looks like it wants to rip up higher, but who knows what Price is doing. Google Voice phone number. Those barely work, bro. Half of the time they don't work. Bitcoin down to 92K. My fill on Doge will be at 35 cents. So I'm actually going to draw out a note there, a notification. I want to change the notification sound.
Order filled.
I'll do this one. Did I just hear order filled or was that the notification? I just heard order filled. Why? What? I just got slipped. Aw, dude. Bro. It's fine. I got stopped out anyways. I'm still in one more position. Like I still have my 2 gambler accounts because my stop is above the BPR. But I did get slipped. That's what I was saying. I thought I was checking sounds, bro. That's funny. That's low-key funny. We have SMT on those lows? We do. That's a clean long setup, fellas. I'm going to close my position.
Order filled.
On the other accounts, possibly. Because we did take that sell side liquidity. We are still in that 1 hour BISI. And this is SMT on a market structure shift. This would be, it's break even anyways, so that was a winning trade, so I'm still open. That's going to be a breakaway gap. I can call it. So that I have one winning trade, got a partial and a break even again. So that's two times I got a winning trade, took a partial, and then I got hit break even. It's all Gucci. What is this risk though? 20? I think we're gonna rip up higher. It's using this inversion or this fair value up here, this bullish one. I'm gonna wait though. Let's try this out. Low resistance liquidity run. Look down into it.
Order filled.
Grab it on my other account.
Order filled.
Try to stop loss to that low. Down here. Let's see. You can also see it's using this as support. I'm not fully in this position yet. I might add more if we break this high. Depending on this reaction on this candle, I might add more positions. I'm not ideally in as much as I want to be. So I'm just trying to think here. So literally like a $75 risk. So even if I lose this, I still got like $30 left over from the previous trade that I got
Order
stopped
filled.
at break even at. So now I'm looking at this for value gap because we're moving lower back to the original. This is going to be half risk. So if I lose this trade, then I will be like barely in the negatives on the day. And then this will be my last trade because I don't want to blow my capital on this. So what is this? 20. So I'll do half risk, 250. Then this is my last trade of the day. Let's try this out. We're at the wick.
Order filled.
Let's try this out here.
Order filled.
Last trade of the day, fellas. I lose this, I'm down like $50 on both accounts, all accounts. 75 on my 2 gambler accounts because my stop loss was a little bit higher on the previous trade when I got hit break even. Take profit here. Overall, just a sloppy day. But I think this could drive price up higher. So far, we have a decent reaction. Once we break this high, I'll drag my stop loss to break even. I copy trade 3 accounts and then I have 2 accounts that I add in. I'm not pressured to trade. Don't worry, bro. I do everything accordingly to my risk. Never am I going to enter into a position just because I want to make content. I learned that the hard way back when I first started streaming, and I'm not going to do it again. So you can see a decent reaction where it's 10:30. We have SMT on these lows, so let's see what ES is doing. ES traded to it as well. YM. Just trading a lot lower. Has the opening range gap to fill out. You can see on NQ we traded down to about 50% of the opening range gap. But we are starting to move higher. Okay. Stop loss is about to be dragged to break even. I'll drag it to this low right now just because, or just below it until we break that high. It's because it shouldn't break this low. I'm just worried about this one SIBI. That could drive price lower. Looks like it wants to. But it's also trading into this inversion, so let's see what price happens here. Right now I'm just chill emotions. YM is terrible, yeah. Those aren't relative. Those aren't equal lows, by the way. We took those lows, as you can see. But my stop loss is dragged, so if yeah, I'll finish this day at break even. Yeah, I'm not liking that reaction. Am I in long? Yes, I am. Off of this. Tice is just disgusting. I've got stopped out and break even twice today, but because of my two partials, it let me open up another trade. But now after this, if I lose, I'm in a position where if I lose again after this, if it's the loss, then I'm like, nah. So this is my last trade of the day. If I lose, if I win, I may open myself up to one more trade, depending on where we're going with price. Depends. Clean reaction though. Inverting that displacement. Oh, order block play is so clean, yeah. I love that wick reaction though. Beautiful. Price should not go below that wick, so my stop loss is dragged there. These are the days I just snipe moves now, 10, 15 handles, close trade. Yeah, that's why I'm not holding up all the way for these highs. I'm just holding it for this high here. I'm not even going to leave a runner. I'm just going to wait for that high to get taken and then run out. Get out. But you can see we have a clean reaction so far. This down close candle should reject price and move a higher. I don't like the size of that candle though. But you can expect some big wicks right now because it's been big wicks this whole morning. You got stop losses at break even? Yup. Another free trade. If I get hit break even again, I'm going to tweet, I got hit break even 3 times in a row today. Look at ES. Yeah. Looks like it's going to move higher as well. It's just ugly. But it is in that hourly BISI now. I haven't looked at Dixie in a long time. What is it doing? It's just ripping up higher, eh? Yeah. Alright, free trade, fellas. Is my mic low? Where was I just leaned back too far? Oh, my bad, guys. I was a little tired. Okay, so we have a clean reaction so far. Stop loss is at fully break even. Winning day no matter what today. Because this is my last trade. Actually, no, break even no matter what today unless I take a partial. But right now, the partials don't really affect anything. Again, I just think we should draw to this high up here. The 1 hour BIST should drive us higher now. We should go up to that buy side, to be honest. But clean reaction so far. Do you know when the Friday market closes? No idea. Damn, nice trade. Thank you, my man. What's up, Gabby? These 1 hour for value gap bounces are nuts. Yeah. I was mentally exhausted by this point. I couldn't hold. It's all good, bro. It's journal study and you learn. We go for the high day. Yep. Partial data high could be good. I'm going to take a partial here. And I'm actually going to... I moved my take profit up to here. Because if this is what I think it is, if this is the move that is reacting off this 1 hour BIST finally, then we should go up to that high. And I'll take my partial there. Can I ask some questions? Go ahead, Gabby. I also do Q&As on my Discord, which is free. So if you want to ask a lot of questions, you go there. I'm dragging my stop loss to under these lows to secure some profits. You only have one entry model? I have one entry model, or it's a breaker structure or a fair value or a market structure shift. Other than that, it's just reading price on the higher time frame. You can see consequent encroachment respected by the body of that BIST, so price should drive up higher here. I want to see price pick up speed though. I don't like how it's slow. I want it to be low resistance liquidity run and rip up higher. Hopefully I don't get hit break even again. Put some music on, Ben. I'm gonna get copyright, bro. Or should I put on non-copyright music? Non-copyright beats. This better be non-copyright, bro. I'm not trying to get copyright.
What?
Just gotta mute the ad. I don't know. This shit seems corny. Yeah, this shit is corny. I'm not listening to that. I'm sorry. I need a non-copyright playlist, bro. Seek and destroy days. Are you more focused on 1 minute trades rather than higher time frame? I'm always doing 1 minute trades. 30-second version fair value gap. Make some instruments on Suno. What's Suno? This should pump to data highs, hopefully. Get lit up here, bro. That music was good. Hell no. Try Vertigo, man. It's a banger without copyright. Let me see. I'll just make a playlist after stream for tomorrow. To be honest. I just searched up non-copyright beats and it played that corny ass song, bro. So like... Checking my stop loss up here. Yeah, exactly, Richard. Listen, if you want to listen to some beats, play it on your device. I do like to not listen to music while I trade sometimes, so. See the thumbnail? I'll look at the thumbnail. I'm not going to play it, though. Vertigo. What is it? Who is it by? Vertigo Man? Vertigo, man. Oh my gosh. By Patrick Weiland.
Guys, I think I figured it out. ICT is confused. I don't want to say retard, but he's a retard. The point of day trading is to make money. I know he's pretty dumb, but I think he's confused.
What the fuck is this shit, bro?
Now we're friends.
Listen, anybody and everybody that's going to come and contact you, you tell them exactly what my account's sitting at. And I sat there and I pushed.
What the
pushed,
fuck?
Pushed, I sat there, pushed, and I fucking lady pushed.
This is the type of music I like. I'm kidding. I'm not listening to that shit. Prepping for SAT and watching your stream. Hey, what's up? SAT. You better do your studying, bro. Make that shit my intro before my stream. I that's actually a good idea. We're ripping lower, bro. I'm gonna get stopped in profit again. It's a shame. It's whatever. Stopping profits right here. That's a clean order block. I'm gonna move my profits down actually. That 3-minute order block, I'm bringing it back down to break even. That's a really clean order block. I think I dragged my stop loss prematurely. And that's manipulation. Look at that. Look at that, bro. I don't want to drag my stop loss prematurely, bro. Look at that order block. Trades into that fair value gap, into the lower fair value gap, and then moves up higher. I think we're still in this trade to win it. I think this is a fake break of structure. I'm a beginner trader. I want to get the essential plan, but when I click on that, I get the real-time market data subscriptions options. What do I need to pick? What are you talking about? Trading View? If you want CME data, you need to buy CME data on top of the essential plan. Man, I woke up yesterday to ICT blocking me, and I have no idea why. No way. Well, were you promoting your stuff under his tweets? Because he said that he blocks people who promotes their content under his tweets. Tanya shorted. Well, let's see who wins. I wouldn't take a long now. The only reason why I'm in this long is because I've been in it and my stop loss is at break even. Then that's it. Breaker structure, market structure shift. So breaker structure is a high, low, higher, high, lower, low, and a market structure shift is a high, low, higher, high, lower, low, and a break of structure is a high, low, lower, high, lower, low. It's in my most recent video. What's up, Tanner? Bad slippage today on TSX. One of my accounts hit stop, but the rest didn't. It's all good, bro. I got hit break even 2 times in a row now. Probably gonna be 3 times now. Looks like I'm gonna get hit break even again. That's 3 break evens in a row, fellas. Yeah, I'm glad I managed risk too. Maybe not. Maybe we do rip up higher. I'm glad I managed risk properly today, because if I didn't, I would have been tilted from 3 break evens. Exactly. Surviving days like this so you can have capital for the low resistance days. Trading even 1 mini on 150K, it's very hard to manage risk. Yeah, micro, definitely use micros. I don't use minis, and I trade 150K accounts, so. See, this is manipulation, hopefully. I love your trade management skills. Thank you, Unknown. Dan's praying for my downfall. Didn't take out data highs. Negative 500 to negative 300 now. Nice, Shira. My camera froze. I'll fix it. I can't see my position, by the way, guys. So if I get hit break even, well, actually, I can hear the order filled, but I can't hear if I'm in crazy profit right now. All I know is that it hasn't hit my order filled yet, so. Okay, camera should be fixed. Let's go back to it. Video capture device, deactivate. Turn it back on. Oh, I need something to eat. My stomach's growling. There we go. Put in the new battery pack. Broke some rules today, bad day. Hey, bro, journal it and move on. Lock yourself out. All happens. It always happens. It happens to the best of us. I'm talking about TradingView. It gives me the real-time market data subscription, so you go and check on TradingView what I'm talking about, please. Ask me that question in Discord, my man. I'm not gonna go on to it right now on stream. I'll do it later though if you need to, or you can just DM or message TradingView and ask for support. Why is ES moving like this? Probably just because it's about to be Thanksgiving, to be honest. Yuck, bro. Yuck. Just playing ping pong, bro. YM's the only clean market, but it's in the complete opposite direction. That 3-minute order block's still holding in. If we go down to the wick of it, it's look at that reaction on the mean threshold of it. Whoa. That's pretty sick. FOMC still coming up. It's orange folder FOMC, isn't it? Cold. Isn't it orange folder? Oh no, it's red. Fuck. I forgot about that. Yeah, that's probably why then. It's probably accumulating shit for FOMC. Well, it does what it wants to do. What's my Discord? It's in my link in the description. Bento link in the description. It's red folder. It's all good. It's meeting minutes. So hopefully we don't get broke even again. I like how we're rejecting off of that mean threshold of the order block to the actual tick. I think this is going to get, I think so many people are going to put in shorts on this fair value gap right now. So many people are going to put in shorts here, and it's just going to rip above it. Just going to skyrocket. One of those big green candles. Watch. It's either going to do that or I'm just going to get stop loss. My stop loss is going to get hit. Order filled. That's probably what's not going to happen. We're going to rip up higher, but so many people just put in shorts here. And it's this little move, this little manipulation downwards after trading to this SIBI is like faking everyone out. Like, oh, I'll put in my positions now. And then it's just going to rip up higher. Got stopped at break even, done for today. It's all good, Dan. If you finish this day break even, you did an amazing job. It's my Discord, man, is literally right here. You don't need to tag me. What the fuck you doing, Nate? Bro. This guy. Fuck you. That's my tag, bro. It's on my Discord. Top of the thing. Just at me in the general chat. This guy Nate, bro. Bro, how much are you funded? 750K. And how much time it took you to get funded? 4 years. I used to trade Forex, but it was a mess. I used to trade Forex too. Now shifted futures. Any tips? Just stay consistent, showing up every day and journal everything. That's all it is, bro. Just repetitions, repetitions, repetitions. Keep doing it. Eventually the stars will align. You can see that we're resting in this little SIBI right now, accumulating as much order shorts as possible before they rip above their stop losses and continue to my take profit. Got it, just sub 2. Thank you, Gabby. Appreciate the subscription. We're almost at 1,160. Hopefully, before the end of tonight, we can get to 1,200 subscribers. Let's see where my TikTok's at. Because I posted 2 TikToks. Ooh, damn. So look at going viral, bro. 5K views. And this one's got 1,000. Look at this TikTok I posted, bro. It says, unfortunately, I'm a trader. So it says, unfortunately, I'm a day trader. So yes, I have no emotions. Bro, my girl complains about that all the time. How, like, I have no emotions. I was just like, I don't know. There's nothing I can say about it. Like, I'm a day trader. I fucking watch my account balance go from negative 2,000 to up 10,000, and I don't think anything of it. What makes you think I'm gonna care about some tea, some rumors or something? Come on, NQ. Emotions are overrated. Facts. Stoicism. I don't like how it's reacting to this civvy, man. I want to see it fake people out. I don't want to see it drive price lower, but I guess they are giving the shorts the play today. Because look at that inversion as well. Yeah, ES is nasty, NQ is nasty. I'm not worried on anything today. I'm happy I'm finishing at break even. I'll follow you on Twitter. Didn't know you have interesting videos on YouTube. Gotta watch them all. Hey, thank you, my man. Yeah, we broke mean threshold of the order block. I think we're probably gonna rip lower. I might get stopped at a break even for a 3rd break even trade today. 3 break even trades. I took partials, so I had a few losses as well, but I took partials and those fixed my losses. So I'm finishing this day just over, a little bit profit, but just over break even. What broker do I use? I use Top Step. Top Step X. Has this ever happened before? 3 break even trades in a row? No. It's kind of annoying. Not gonna lie. It's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock on the shot. I'm in the stop. What's that? How does that song go? It's 11 o'clock on the drop. And up top, roaming the streets. Who's that by? Usher or something? Play it on stream, I'll get copyright. Usher, yeah. Just as I saying it. Hey, we are moving higher. I think that faked out some more sellers. People put so many shorts, and now we're going to rip above this high, which is their take profit. I mean, their stop loss. I'm out, bro. Green day, so quit. I'm ahead. Catch you tomorrow. Hey, E-Man, congrats on the green day. And good discipline. I'll see you tomorrow, my man. I'm still in here fighting for my life. What's happening? Just headed after study. Fake out. Yes, moving towards Hive Day. Yeah, that was manipulation. Oh yeah, let's go. Yes. Rip up. Oh yeah, we're going to take profit now. Tanya, I faded Tanya once again. 2-0. It's 2-0, Tanya. Catch up. I'm kidding. 11 a.m. gives the speed we want. Hopefully, bro. So far, it's Comme si comme ça. 1,159 subscribers. We're one subscriber away from 1,160. Thank you guys so much. Where did she short? I think she shorted. I don't know. Someone said she shorted on this reaction. We have SMT on the higher time frame. Yes, that's why I think it's stronger. What did Tana do today? I have no idea. I'm in my own stream. It's 11 o'clock on the dot and no drop top roaming the streets. I'm gonna listen to that song today. Alright. Looks like we're about to invert that original Sibby, that price move lower. You don't use SMT? I use SMT sometimes. Went long plus 24. It's nice. Let's go. I'm glad. I hope everybody wins trades. Macros are, except for Patrick Weiland. I'm kidding. Macros are crucial for her. Don't know why. Macros are crucial for me too, bro. Macros are super important in my trading. They should be really important in your trading too, Xander. A full risk trade needs a macro for me. It's in my most recent video. Macros plus SMT plus your setup is crucial, yeah. Okay, we're drawing up. I'll take partial on this high. Patrick is just an attention seeker? Nah, he's just a marketer. He's a good marketer. That's all it is. I'm in the drop top, cruising the streets. ICT gives him attention, yeah. Because ICT likes hate. He likes the attention too. They're both literally the same people on opposite sides. Honestly. This trade is disgusting. Look at this nasty price action, bro. At least I got into a good position. Okay, we're in that 1 minute BISI market structure shift for value gap breaker. You can see it's a unicorn setup. We should drive up higher here. We just took their stop losses. We trade back into it, into the wick, and now we trade up higher. I'm pretty confident in this trade, to be honest. Although it's bad conditions. Your views on Matt Loiber? I don't really know who that is. I'm not gonna lie. I've probably seen his Twitter. Can you explain the macros? Every last 10 minutes and first 10 minutes of every hour. It's times where price is likely to trade into your entry and drive price up higher or lower. High probability times. Alright, we could also trade into this inversion as well, but I think I want to see price continue up higher now. We've been hanging around this BISI for a while. I just want to eventually see price rip up higher. Also, do I need to get the CME package if I want to trade NQ like you? If you want to trade NQ using the NQ data, yes, you need the CME package. Can I break down my entry? It's literally my most recent YouTube video, my man. My most recent YouTube video entry. Oh, are you talking about this entry? It's simple. Break a structure, market structure shift on ES, so SMT on the lows of this break a structure, expansion, fair value gap, trades into it, take the trade, move up higher. We also took these lows, barely, but we did. And we have a 1 hour BISI. Has been having trouble breaking back above and staying above the first. It has been having trouble breaking back above and staying above the first value gap. 930. Do we still journal? Yes. Crop price action, indeed. I just journal off stream. I go back onto my live and I journal. We just need to rip up higher, bro. It's lunchtime. I want to go eat something. Low key. Do you use the NQ data to trade, broski? Well, that's what I'm doing right now. No, I watch this data. You don't need it. You don't need it to trade NQ. You can trade other markets. Like MNQ is free. It's literally almost the same thing. I'm pretty sure MNQ is free. Or no, it's not. It's CME. I think it's I forgot what it's called, but US 500 or US 100 is free. You don't need that. You don't need to buy CME data to trade NQ. I just like it because it's more accurate data. It's not, yeah, I caught myself in the act, Dan. Come on, dude, just rip up higher. We've been consolidating above this BISI for so long now. One subscriber away from 1,160, guys. Thank you. US 100 is so inaccurate. Hey, if you want to do it for free, then do that. I like my CME package, though. I just bought the Black Friday deal of TradingView for a whole year. Which is pretty nice. 70% off. Crazy. Hopefully I don't get stopped at break even, bro. We traded into this inversion of the fair value gap that people ideally wanted to take. As well as this. We buddied above it, but I don't know. It's not looking too clean, fellas. Professional plan, essential plan. I don't really need professional. It's just a waste of money. Thank you, guys. 1,160 subscribers. They have that deal every year. I know. The term BISI irritates me. You can get Ninja Trader with level 1 data for only $12 a month. Yeah, but I don't want to trade on Ninja Trader. They put it again during Easter. Well, the displacement looks to be getting canceled out. I'm really tired right now. It's 11 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, roaming the streets. Bro, I love that song. Don't kill me. Dixie messing with us. TradingView has nice charts, but more expensive. TradingView not only has nice charts, but way better data and everything. What broker is best for Canada? What are you talking about? For just investing? I like Wealthsimple. That's what I use. But for trading, TopStep, the firm, they use TopStep X. But if you're talking about for just investing with your live money, then I like Wealthsimple. You're hungry? I'm hungry, bro. I'm starving. My props for holding this long lulled. I'd close at the nearest swing high and preserve my mental capital. I know. I'm tired. You don't connect your Tradevate to TradingView to Excavate on TradingView? I don't use Tradevate Aqua. I use TopStep X. They don't have that connected on TradingView. Oh, 7 o'clock. I was about to say, it's 11 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in my drop top, roaming the streets. I knew something was wrong about what I was saying. How many losses in break even? 2 break evens. If this hits break even, it's 3 break evens on the day. and then 1 loss. I'm pretty sure. So, but I'm still positive on the day because I took partials with the 2 break evens. I'm literally break even on the day. Oh, I understand. Once you get funded, you can only trade on Top Step X. That's not true, Aqua. I trade on Top Step X because I like it better. That's why. Yeah, I love that song, Unknown. Yeah, Top Step. You don't need to. Literally, it's a Top Step and Top Step X. I'm so tired, fellas. If I've been waiting in the stream just to get stopped out at break even, I'm gonna be upset, but it's whatever. Looks like I am gonna get stopped out to break even. It's really close. And break even was
Order filled.
hit. Ah! How long did I just wait to get stopped at break even, bro, for the 3rd time? An hour? Thing kills me, bro. This is the reality of trading. Watch, it's gonna go hit my take profit now. Alright, guys, that's it for me. I'm getting off the charts. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy, fellas. Thank you for stopping in the stream, and this is killing me. It's gonna move up higher, and I'll see you guys later. Take it easy, fellas. Full port now? Yeah, totally. I'll see you guys tomorrow.